how to return items on Shein. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can return items on Shein. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to return items on Shein, the first thing is opening up the Shein application on the device. And once you have located the item that you want to return, you can head over to the Me tab from this navigation bar. After that is done, here under this My Auto section, you will be finding different options here. You can look out for this option called Return. So you can just go ahead and tap on it in order to view the items that you've returned. Along with that, you will be finding Unpaid, Processing, and Shipped items. So you can just go ahead and tap on this Unpaid section. And when you go ahead and do that, you should be finding the items right here which are already shipped. You can go to the shipped section, and when you go to that section, you will be finding the items. Along with that items, you will be also finding an option called return, so you can tap on that option if you want to return the items on Shein. So for now, this is the method you can apply up if you want to return items on Shein. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.